We are here today at the Speed Run Pond. We got my little rigger that my subscriber sent me. So we're gonna go ahead and run it today. Got my umbrella. It is 91 degrees out here today. It is scalding hot. But we are dedicated and we are gonna run some boats. So let me get this thing all put together. I've got an SMC pack to run in it and a little baby Spectrum pack to run in it. Let's get it together. All right, shrimp rigger, 1300 mile 3S pack. Let's get it. Never lift right there, wide open. Oh, and we crashed it, and we landed it. Wow, that was a big burst of energy right there. That thing's quick, boy. All right, let's bring it in and put in the 2200 SMC pack. Let's open it up, check temps. No smoke, that's a good thing. Hot dog, look at that, 51 miles an hour. Let's see what we get here. Yeah, this one I just had. 120 on the ESC and 116 on the motor. Not bad. Not bad.
You got the other ones too?
Yeah, I got my other ones too. Pull that battery out. See that right there? That right there is why you want to run an SMC pack. 30C is not enough. Look how swollen that thing is. I'm gonna go ahead and set that off to the side. I time trialed that run. That was 1 minute and 34 seconds and the battery got that swole. That's so crazy. 51 miles an hour. We're gonna go ahead and clear it out. I'm gonna run some water through it and we're gonna stick in the SMC 2200. Make sure we only do a 2-minute run. All right, let's get it. All right, it's going that way a little bit. Need to adjust the trim. Still wants to turn to the right. Need to compensate with a little bit of left. That thing flies, dude. Oh, shit. It doesn't like to go the other direction. All right, do a cool down pass real quick. I'm gonna let it cool down. I've been running it for a minute. Need to let it cool down so the battery doesn't swell. All right, let's see if we can do 3 full laps wide open. Oh shit. It just doesn't like the hook. All right, I'm gonna say that's it. I don't want to swell this pack. I got turtles out here today and I got grass floating in the water. Well, that was fun. I didn't want to over exhaust the SMC pack. 57 miles an hour, baby. Whoa, that was killing it. That was killing it. All right, let's see what the temps are, because I know she's probably hot. That ain't bad, 123. Towards this side, closer to the motor, it normally gets warmer. 123, 124 is about all I saw. Let's test the motor. 123, 124. Not bad. Not bad. That's actually a good run. All right, let's pop the battery out and see what the temp of the battery is. What's good is I don't have no puffing on this battery. No puffing at all. 125, so everything is 125 degrees. That's good. Not terribly hot. Not terribly hot. That was a good run. Good run. Only get about 2 minutes with a 2200 pack. You know, just the spectrums just aren't enough. So I've actually got 2 more packs coming. The purple packs, which are the high voltage packs from SMC. I've got the 2000 2400s coming in 3S and in 4S. So instead of 11.1, they're going to be 11.4. And instead of 14.8, they're going to be 15.2. So we're going to actually be able to get some pretty incredible speeds with those batteries. We just don't want to ruin them. The Kraken Esc fits so perfectly in this hull, it's actually 6S capable. So we're going to see if we can get this thing in the mid 70s. If we've got 57 on 3S, I have no doubt I can at least reach 70 with the setup as is. Once I upgrade to a different turn fin, not one that's just made out of aluminum from Lowe's, thin one, a little bit thinner, a little bit more, you know, purposeful made, then we'll see what we're at. But as far as that goes, I'm going to go ahead and end the video there. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up if you want to see more like it. If you have any tips or questions or comments or concerns, drop them in the comment section below. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.